Before I begin my second vlog, I wish to shout out Yums A and Yums B strands of grade 11 in school year 2022-2023 from Kidapawan City National High School. Likewise to Arvin Bruno and Andag Dapan. Those who happen to open this vlog, please help me reach 1,000 subscription. Please comment down also if you have some suggestions for the enhancement of the quality of my vlog in the future. Before you view, subscribe, like, and share. This channel have 102 views as of now, but only 51 have subscribed. That is equal to 50% of the whole. So, do subscribe before you view. This vlog is about the AC method of factoring quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Example 1, because I have two examples. Number 1 is x squared plus 3x equal minus 10 equals 0, and RA is equals to 1, B equals 3, and C is equals to 10. AC means we multiply A times C, that is 1 times negative 10 equals negative 10. This negative 10 shall be factored such that the factors will be equal to B, that is 3. So what are the factors of 10 that has a difference of 3? There are two factors of 10, 10 times 1 and 5 times 2. So the factors of 10 that has a difference of 3 is 5 and 2. And since the sign of B is positive, you should choose the bigger number to be in the factors to be positive, so that will be the difference of the factors will be equal to 3. That is the value of B. After that, you pair that immediately to x like that. So plus 5 minus 2 equals 0. And after that, separate the factors. And equate them to 0. The other one is x minus 2 equals 0. So we separate the factors. X plus 5 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. Right then, we can get the value of x. X equals negative 5 and x equals 2. That is the value of x in quadratic equation x squared plus 3x minus 10 through the method of AC. So that's the power of AC in factoring quadratic equation. That is, A is equal to 1. That's very easy. Now, we'll try another example where a is not equal to 1. So we have example number 2. Example number 2. Uh, our quadratic equation is 2x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. So we label down A, B, C. So A is equals to 2. B is equal to 1. When the variable has no number, it's understood to have 1. So B is equals to negative 1. And C is equals to negative 6. The same process we are going to do. We multiply A times C, that is equal to 2 times negative 6. That gives us negative 12. And right there, we are going to factor negative 12 such that the difference will be equal to negative 1. That is B. So, the factors of 12, 12 has many factors like 2 times 6, 12 times 1, and 4 times 3. So you choose from those factors which of the factors have a difference of negative 1 that is equal to B. So you can choose, you choose 4 and 3. 4 and 3. And since the sign of B is negative, you should choose the bigger factor to be negative also. So the the 4 should be negative and 3 should be positive. And negative 1 x, no, negative 1x equals negative 4x plus 3x. So that is negative 1x equals negative 4x plus 3x. So that is, they are equal. So we will use negative 4x plus 3x in place of negative 1x in 2x squared minus x equal minus 6 equals 0. So we change that. We regroup 2x squared. You choose 4x first, negative 4x, because there are common for 2x squared and negative 4x squared, that is 2x. So you choose first negative 4x, then 3x minus 6, because the 2 also, the last 2, 3x minus 6 has common factor of 3. So we try to identify the common factors of 2x squared, the greatest common factors of factor of 2x squared and negative 4x. That is 2x. 2x. Also in 4x, we have also 2x. What makes 2x, what should be multiplied to 2x to get 2x squared? Multiply it by x. And what will we multiply to 2x to get 4x? That is 2. We bring out 2x. We bring out 2x. 2x. And inside the parentheses are the terms that remains. No? So that is x minus 2. This common 2x is this term outside the parentheses. So that is how to factor that. Then the next two terms, that is 3x minus 6, we are going to identify also the common factor. The greatest common factor is 3. And in 6, we have also 3. Then what should be multiplied to 3 to get 3x? We multiply it by x. And in the other number, what will we multiply to 3 to get 6? We multiply it with 2. So after that, we write 3, the common factor, outside the parentheses, and write down what remains in the terms inside the parentheses, x minus 2. Okay, equals, that is equals to 0. This is your indicator. If the terms inside the parentheses are the same, meaning your factoring is correct. But if your terms inside the parentheses are not the same, then your factoring is wrong. So after that, we pair the terms inside the parentheses, outside the parentheses. That is 2x plus 3 as one quantity, 2x plus 3. Then we write down one of the similar quantities in the parentheses, that is x minus 2 equals 0. This 2x plus 3 times x minus 2 is the same as 2x squared minus x minus 6. So they are similar. I will prove to you. By FOIL method, we have 2x plus 3 and x minus 2. By FOIL method, we have the first, 2x times x equals 2x square. Then outside, 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Then inside, 3 times x equals positive 3x. And the last is positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So we have 2x squared, negative 4x plus 3x equals negative x. Then minus 6. That is very similar to the original equation, which is 2x squared minus x minus 6. Therefore, the factors 2x plus 3 times x minus 2 is equal to 0 is correct. After that, we separate 2x plus 3 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. Then find the value of x. So 2x equals negative 3 and the other is x equals 2. Since 2 is attached to x, we have to cancel 2 here and divide 2 there. So that we cancel 2 here. What remains is x equals negative 3 over 2 or 3 halves, and the other value is equals to 2. So these are the value of x in the equation, a quadratic equation, 2x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. Thank you very much. That ends our blog. The second blog, the AC method of factoring quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. God bless everyone.